Hey guys, welcome to this episode of moving. Welcome to this episode of my moving series. Today is Wednesday. I just got back from class. Today is Tuesday. I just got back from class, and what do I have on my front door? Step. It actually wasn't a surprise because I got the text that this got delivered, but. Yes, guys, my freaking mattress. It just got here today, and I'm so excited. Also, because I get to go bedding shopping today, and then sometime this week, we're also going to get my bed frame, because I don't have a bed frame. Because I was trying to decide between a regular bed frame and a day bed, but I couldn't, so I decided that at some point I'm going to go to IKEA and just see, try out both and see what I like more. But I just wanted to show you guys, update you guys that I just got my mattress and I'm super excited to set it up. I don't know if I'm gonna put the clips in from the other day because it was really just not my day. I was not having a good day. So I went to the store to try and buy bedding because my mattress came in. And I went to go buy bedding and I was in such a bad mood that my energy was so low and I hated the clips. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it in, but we're going to buy bedding again. It's a few days later. So, and we're at a different Ross. Last time I went to Ross, but different location. So let's see. This one has good stuff. Bag almost secured, but these sheets are exactly what I was looking for. I'm so happy. Would you guys be mad at me if I told you I left the tripod in the car and I'm not getting it? Anyways. We're going to set up the bed right here because this part of the room is a super mess. It's so bad. This is the worst part of the whole place. And honestly, I should have brought this is my vanity. And I was like, oh, I don't need my desk. I kind of wish I brought my desk. But I'm going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. But I need this bed down, so I'm going to inflate it right here. We're going to inflate it right here. And I got to find somewhere to put the camera, so that way we can time-lapse me opening the box. I don't even know why I'm singing that song right now. I don't even listen to him. Here's my mattress, guys. Yay! I don't think you guys can see my face right now, but just know I'm so excited. I've been here for almost a month. No bad. Woo! Okay, let's fucking... Sorry, downstairs neighbors. Oh my gosh. Guys, seriously, I'm so sorry. How could there be missing parts? The only part is the mattress. Did you guys know these took 3 days to inflate? 3? 3?
What the dog doing?
So I don't know what part of the video this is going to be. I have so many clips of me just doing random stuff. Because what they don't tell you about moving is when you first move, you're all about it. And then you have to get back to your real life. And then it's you just do stuff when you can. So let me show you guys what I've done. So earlier today, I went and bought these bed sheets. I bought a mat for my front door. And then I bought this table. I've been wanting this table, but I wanted to make sure that I really actually wanted it. And then I got this LED mirror. My mattress has risen nicely. And so I want to put it on a bed frame today. Because my mom is coming to visit me. So I'm probably going to let her sleep on that. And I don't want her to be sleeping on the floor. We're going to go buy a bed frame. We're going to Home Depot. I didn't even know Home Depot sold bed frames. But I saw a cute bed frame and it's super cheap. So I was like, let's go get it. Literally. So first, please don't mind the face filter on. I don't know how to turn it off. But basically what happened is I went to Home Depot and they told me that they actually don't have it in stock in store. And even though it says in-store pickup, you can't. You have to order it online. So I ended up not buying a bed frame. I filmed this about 2 weeks ago, and I still don't have a bed frame to this day. My bed is still on the floor.
A few moments later.
We're at IKEA. I need a bed frame. I've done a lot, or I've done a little bit for the apartment, but I just have not been feeling the best the past few days, so I haven't really been recording. But I'll do an update for you guys when I get back. But today we are looking for a bed frame. And I like this one. I wish I had my mics, but I can't find the charger. There are so many people here. So many people here. This coffee table is so cute, even though I just bought one. I literally just bought a coffee table yesterday. How in the fuck is this $60?
What the dog doing?
These are so cute. I wish I got these. No, but I literally just bought my sheets. This orange and pink is so cute though. And I really like this. I really want a day bed. This bitch is so long. Wait, this will actually might not even fit in my car. I drove all the way here for this bed frame, and it's way longer than it looked. There's no way this package is gonna fit in my car. Look at this. Look, this fucking box is as long as the shelf. I'm cooked.
Later.
What the dog doing?
This is my table. It's cute and silver. I hope you guys like it. There's me. Hi, girl. Super shiny. I love it. Hey guys, that is the end of this video. I know this one is probably the shortest one that I put up yet, but it's just because I'm pretty much caught up to real life at this point. Right now I'm working on a video for my closet, because right now I'm currently actually organizing my closet and trying to find a place for all my clothes. But I don't really have much more to show, so that's why this video is coming out and it's this short. I'm trying to just get out the video for you guys, and I have more videos that I'm working on outside of this moving series if you guys are wanting more or longer or more in-depth videos. But yeah, hopefully this will hold you guys over on the moving series, and my next moving video will be way longer. It's already looking like it's probably going to be a 20 to 30 minute video, because my closet is extensive. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys still enjoy this video, and see you guys later.
I might die, do it.